What's up, guys? Welcome to Just Know It. It's your boy Albert here, and today I'm with my friend Safo Cowbell. Cowbell did it, and you guys, I'm sure by now some of you know his channel. Just type Cowbell did it, and then you see the amazing stuff that he has been posting every day. I show you guys how to do this, how to do that. Now today I'm here to learn something myself. My friend Cowbell did it is going to show me. We are going to learn how to fly a drone. This drone particularly, and so we are going to learn how to fly it. Hopefully we do this together, and so if you are ready, just come closer and let's learn a few things about the controls, right? How are we going to start?
So this is the controller and this is the drone. This is the DJI Mavic 2, an awesome drone if you want to capture very good content. Now
Okay.
the controller comes this way, pretty simple. If you pull from the top here like so, you get the antenna. Yeah,
Okay.
very cool antenna. And then you have two cables here. Now one is connected to the controller and the other is going to be connected to your phone. When you
Okay.
get the drone, you're going to have different cables. This cable particularly is Type C, which goes to the controller, and then this is the Lightning cable. This one goes to an iPhone because I'm using an iPhone
Yeah.
personally. But we have Type C to Type C to I've seen other ones, so I know the options out there. Now this
Yeah.
goes to my phone, and then right underneath the sticks for my controller, I'm going to unscrew them take them from underneath and then nicely screw
Okay.
them in like so. Now the next thing is I have to bring my phone and then connect my phone to this. So I'm
Okay.
going to take my phone neatly from Albert and
iPhone 10.
iPhone 10, yeah,
Yeah.
right. So I'm going to slide it in. I think it can take very big phones, so you don't really have to get worried about whether your phone will go. Except you're using an iPad. I mean, an iPad will not fit here. All
Okay.
right. So I'll connect it to my Lightning port like so, and then after that I'll go into my app. The next thing is to get my drone set up and then turn everything on right here.
Is it possible to connect an Android phone?
Yes,
iPhone.
DJI has an app for Android and then iOS.
Okay.
They don't have some for Windows, so yeah, too bad. But then they do for iOS and Android. And once you get there, you have to download the DJI app. It's available in the Play Store and then Apple
Okay.
App Store as
Okay.
well. So I have the DJI app downloaded. If you go online, you there. So I'm going to launch the app, but first I have to set up my drone and
Okay.
get it ready in the mood to fly.
All right, guys. So we are setting up the drone itself. We already set up with the controller, right? This is the
Yes,
controller.
this is the controller.
Everything is set now,
Right.
and so
I'll be just saying a few things about what some of the buttons here do in a minute. But first, let's get the drone up in the air. So I'm going to pull the front. I don't want to call it legs, but this is the front hand out first, and after that, I'll bring the outer legs out. The outer legs it doesn't come out straight. It kind of folds from the back, like the hinges on your hand.
okay,
And then the same
Okay.
thing for the other side, like so.
okay,
And then this one also comes up this way. For the Mavic 2, you have to straighten up the propellers like so. You have to. If you don't straighten them up, I don't know what you are doing, my brother. Right. So now that my drone is kind of ready like this,
Mhm.
what I'll do is I'll turn it on. Now with DJI, how you turn this drone stuff on is that if you press the button, the power button once, it just shows you the battery percentage.
The battery percentage of the controller.
Yes, of the controller. If you press it on the controller, you see how much battery the controller has.
Okay.
If you press it once on the drone here, you see how much battery this particular battery has.
Oh,
So
okay.
to turn it on, you press and then press again and hold. Then you hear a sound. It means it's on.
So you press and press and hold.
Yeah, you can try that for yourself.
Okay. So press and press and hold.
It's off now.
It's off.
So let's
Okay.
turn it back on,
Press and press again.
and then it's back on. So let's try it here.
Okay.
Can you turn this one on?
Turning this on. So press and hold.
So
Whoa.
you hear something happening.
Yeah, the vibration.
Yeah,
That was
it's
so
giving you-
cool.
Yeah, it's giving you something like, hey, I'm on now. Right, so it says it's ready. So I'm going to drop it slowly on the ground and gently. I mean, you don't want to fracture this. You protect it like your child. I drop it neatly. All right, and then back again to my controller and my app. I have to connect these two devices. All right, so these are the DJI app. The surface looks like we have the
Okay.
connection guide, the profile, and all of that. I'm not really going to go there. I'm just going to go straight to connection guide. When I
Okay.
click there, it's going to show me the various drone options. So we have the Air 3, Air 2, Mavic Air Pro, Mini, Charlie. I know.
Lots of them.
Yeah, I
Oh,
want
this is so nice.
the DJI Avatar, Charlie. The FPV drone. I want that one, but.
Oh,
What we have is the Mavic 2, and we're going to go with that. Right. So the moment that is, it means they are giving you instructions.
yeah, on how to connect it.
Yeah,
Pretty simple.
very good. And you can see connection successful. Immediately you can see what your drone sees. Yeah, not on your
Yeah.
eye. If you can see, if you have those ones with the goggles, that's the FPV, first person view drone. Those ones are crazy.
Oh,
So what
okay.
the drone sees, you see.
Wow.
Right. You can still crash regardless. So that is it. Let's come back again to the controller. Let me just point out okay, it controls two types of movement.
Mhm.
This one takes the drone forward, this one takes the drone backwards.
Okay.
This one takes the drone to the left, and then this one glides the drone to the right. If you come to the left side, if you push it up, you are soaring higher, you are moving
Okay.
upwards. And if you bring it down, you are landing, you are coming downwards.
Okay.
If you take it to the left or to the right, you are rotating the drone.
Okay.
Yeah, so you're rotating to
Okay.
your left and the right. The combination of these two can make you create magic, alright? And if you come underneath the controller here, we have this button that controls how the camera moves up and down.
Okay.
And then we have this button here. So this button will record a video if you're in video mode, and it will take a photo if you're in photo mode. I'm not going to go so much into it, but let's see how we can get off the ground. There are two ways to go up into the air. The first one is by selecting this left corner here. You can see the up sign here, and it says take off. You don't just tap it like what I used to do when I started. You tap
Okay,
and hold,
and hold.
and then immediately the drone starts spinning.
Whoa. Whoa. What's that sound?
So it's telling me right now that I'm in a authorization zone. I don't have access to fly, so I say cancel. I mean, this place is okay. It's okay. I can fly here.
Okay.
Right.
But the beeping sound, we've cancelled it, but I can still hear some beeping sound.
The beeping sound was because we were close to it, and then the sensors are figured out that something is close to it. It has sensors all over it to let
Okay.
you know if something is very close to it, and probably help protect itself. So that's because we are that close. We are hearing that sound.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
All right. So time to fly.
Are you ready?
We are ready.
So I'm going to go down again. I'm going to go forward, and I'll land.
Okay.
Let me show how to land. So to land, there are two ways to land. You can see the H sign with the arrow pointing to it right there.
Yeah.
You,
to the home.
you tap on it once again, and then you press and hold.
Okay, and it's landing. It's landing so smooth.
Wow. So that is how to take off automatically and land automatically. The drone that takes care of that. But for me,
Oh.
I'm not going to press the take off sign and press and hold. No. I just take my two controllers this way and then move them inwards, downwards, like so. If you watch, and then the fan starts spinning.
Okay, so you do that and hold it.
Yes, you press and hold. The moment the fan starts spinning, you take off your hands from it, and then I'm going to slowly move up, like so.
Just a little.
Slowly,
And it's up already.
and it's up into the air. That's the manual way to go up. I'm coming down.
You're coming out with the sports mode.
So to land manually, you just press the down on the left side, the down, just press and hold it. The drone will realize that you're trying to land and it will do the landing for you.
okay.
So I don't have to come and press and hold all of
Anything.
things. It does all of that for me.
That's super. So while you're flying it, I realized that it was shaking at some point. Is it because of the controls or what's happening? Because
So-
it was just dangling like that.
Two things could happen. Right now we have some strong winds moving around here.
Yeah.
And the drone is trying its best to keep the stability right there for you. But also, if
Okay.
your hands are shaky on the controls, you also find that it'll be moving in some awkward directions. But
Oh,
mainly
okay.
because of the wind that we are having right now. If not,
Okay.
we should be very smooth in the air, like a glider.
Wow.
Right.
Wow.
So-
That's super.
It's about time Albert also, took hold of this and
Oh
just,
yes.
and just have a feel of it.
Oh,
Remember,
yes.
there are things around here, so let's go higher where we don't
Alright.
have anything to catch us except the birds, and then we can play around there.
Okay.
It's time to take off now.
All right, so guys, it's time for me to try my hands on this, and so hopefully we are doing this together, and let's see how this pans out. All right. So first thing, I'm gonna turn it on. So I'm sure I want to use your strategy.
The manual.
Yeah, by just doing this, then I can click cancel, and then little by little goes up. Oh, guys, this feels so good. It feels so good. So when I leave my hand, is it going to come down?
No, it's going to stop where you stop.
Okay, then we can move forward and then move backwards. Oh, guys, this is so nice. Feels like I'm playing around this, man. Okay, then sideways, sideways.
Go higher.
So let's go high. Let's go high.
All right, now try rotation.
Okay, so I'm gonna rotate now. Oh, guys, this feels so good. Oh, why am I looking at?
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yes, you see everything down here.
Yeah.
So
I'm supposed to be looking here, right? So I want the camera to look down here on us, right?
yeah.
And this is crazy.
Look at the screen.
Yeah. This is so nice. Oh, I don't want to get into someone's house. Wait, why? Okay, I see what's happening.
Yes.
Now the drone is looking at me. So
Yes.
when I turn, the direction changes.
Yes. That's good. That's good. That's
All
smart.
right.
Found
All right.
Oh
all right.
yeah.
That was so interesting. I just hope. Okay, so I can rotate and move forward at the same time.
Yeah, you can do all of that.
Why do I keep? I want to stop. Is
Looking
it
at
possible to stop looking there?
Yes, it's
and just-
possible. I want you to look down and just move. Just move.
So okay, I want the camera to look up this way, and then
Record your session.
yes,
Right,
yes.
yeah.
So I'm recording my session now, guys. I'm definitely going to put this out there for you all to see.
Oh, don't look at it. Don't look at it.
Yeah, I keep looking at it. I remember you did a drone shot where you were walking and the drone was looking at you walking. Can I have that?
Yeah.
I want to do that.
Okay, can you bring it to us?
Okay, so.
Are you confident you can bring it?
Oh yes,
Got
definitely.
Okay, you can look at it. You can also.
Oh,
look down,
okay.
yeah. But I think you should look at it because it's close to you. So.
Yeah.
Come back a little. You are closer to the ropes than you think. Come down now. Be rotating as you're coming down. And be coming to it. Rotating and it's coming down. Yes, go. Yeah, now you can move for it.
Hey, no.
That was good. That was good. Rotate a little more.
Yeah.
Awesome. Right, and then you come down.
Wait, no. Okay. Oh, I made that. Okay.
Look at something. Look at me going to try to catch the drone.
Okay. It won't come down.
It will fight you. If you try to manhandle it, it will fight
Wow. This is. But okay, I think the camera should no. It's looking to down, so this way, and then you can definitely go back like this.
you. Exactly. So what you can do is that come for it again. What you can do is that you can move slowly. You don't have to
Okay.
push to the end all the time. You can just move it just a little
Okay,
bit,
just a little bit.
and then
this
it will
way.
move slowly. Look at how it's capturing. See,
Yeah.
slowly and coming through. So that's how I captured myself.
So,
Ready?
Ready when you are.
All right. Let's start walking
Okay. While I move the drone back.
backwards slowly.
Okay.
And I don't want you to look at it. I want you to look on the screen because that's what you're trying to capture.
Okay.
I'll let you if you're going to crash.
All right.
All right. Let's walk.
This is fun, man. This is fun, guys. So, guys, it was really fun learning how to fly the drone. It was pretty easy than I thought. What I mean by easy is, trying to get off with the controls and everything. But when it comes to getting some of the shots done, like some of those professional shots with the drone going like what you did, like coming towards you and also controlling the camera at the same time, I think it requires a lot of multitasking to be able to do that. So what are your final thoughts? Can you share something with us?
For me, I think I'm still. I keep practicing all the time. Trying to get it done. but we have the automatic settings that are there. The next video we're going to make a nice video where we are going to show you some beginner drone moves that will give you professional footages out of
Oh, wow.
any drone that you have.
Wow.
Those are what I keep practicing all the time, because you have to keep doing. You can't watch a video and think you can do it. You have to actually take hold of
I
it
know, right?
and try it.
I
and
know,
then
right? All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And as my friend here, Safo Kabel, said it, we are going to bring you another video of learning some of the beginner drone moves, very easy ones that you can practice yourself without any guidance, right?
yeah, without any
Yeah.
guidance.
So with the help of the video, you'll be able to do it, and then you are good to go. Thank you so much for sticking by. Visit Safo Kabel's channel and subscribe to his channel. Make sure you like some of the videos, the ones, your favorite videos. I know all of them will be your favorites. So just visit his channel, subscribe, and then let's see how it goes. Catch you in the next one. Bye.